Hey guys, we're doing a photo shoot today, so I'm getting ready. My lips are hella swollen, like really swollen. This is the Elastin Enhanced Serum. I'm filming a little bit today. I'm gonna vlog so you guys can come with me. As you're seeing this, I'm also filming for NBC. So we are doing behind the scenes in this vlog for you guys, really because everything that they're filming is obviously gonna be in the it's out by the time this is published. But I don't know, maybe I'll post this before and not tell you guys what I'm filming for, but it's something really secret. Maybe that's what I'll do. I really do need to finish getting ready because I need to iron two outfits, go to the tailor, pick up my other pieces, and then head that way. I also need to finish my hair really quickly as well. Or start, I should say, because good lord. So I know I look really crazy right now, but it's gonna come together really nice. Lately, I feel like my biggest struggle has been my forehead makeup, at least for filming, like what we're filming for, especially under lights. Like I will sweat, so I want to make sure that we're looking really pulled together for today. But yeah guys, I got my lips done yesterday. There will be a vlog coming on that, but it's gonna be a little more in-depth. Probably won't be posted until the project is up and live and debuted. So timelines, I don't know, but I'm just letting you know what I know right now, but I don't know for sure what I don't know, what I don't. Ugh, I need coffee. The shoot is gonna be for branding images for myself, for my website, other projects I have coming up for coaching programs, all that fun stuff. The producers are actually gonna get here in about like 20 minutes-ish. I just wanted to get going because I have so much to do still, and I'm shooting hopefully 4 to 5 looks today. So my goal is to really have like a nice neutral makeup that will go with everything and be kind of cohesive but not like super obvious. Wow, it's crazy how much this powder just lifts your eyes. My lips are literally so swollen, they're like way bigger than they will be. They're definitely gonna settle down a lot. I feel like the swelling is the worst the first like day or 2, maybe 3 after. It's not ideal that they're gonna be swollen for my shoot, but just with the timing of the rebranding and the launching and everything, like this is what we have to do. I need to just keep applying this enhanced serum so that it will hopefully help them go down. And I might just hold off on lip product until I, you know, like there and ready to go. My skin is looking really good today. It's gonna be a good day, guys. I'm gonna finish my tea and switch over to coffee because I've been losing my voice. So just all the things, my friends. Such a peaceful morning. Guys, I'm just like in literally the best place in my life right now. I'm so fucking in love and I'm so optimistic and like, I don't know, I just feel really good. Maybe it's lip filler, maybe it's all the fucking self-work. I'm also obsessed with the Supergoop sunscreen with the glow in it, you guys. This stuff under my foundation has me just looking like a glowing pregnant goddess. I'm not pregnant though. If I was, this is like the glow I feel I would have. And the producers just got here. So I need to put Kalani in the KENNEL. It's gonna take them a minute to get out with all their gear. Okay, I'm gonna go put Kalani away, guys. I'll see you in a sec. Okay guys, we're behind the scenes. I haven't yet to show you. Just a little sneak peek here. You're gonna have to wait to figure out what we're doing. And I just got here. Wardrobe is all in the back. And now I gotta try to cover up these bruises the best I can. Which thankfully they're kind of in a place where I would normally contour my lip. So hopefully it'll look natural. Definitely hurts. Because we're filming, we can't use music, guys. So normally I'm like all vibing out in here and just me and my bad bitch thoughts today. That's all you can do. It's pretty powerful actually. I film lazy girl vlogging. Yes.
There you go.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna have a little sip of tea. I'm just chilling. I just recorded a podcast episode. It is almost 3 weeks from the day that I did the photo shoot. And I just kind of edited everything together and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's not really an ending to this vlog. So I thought, why not quickly film an ending? I promise guys I don't have a Beyonce fan on. It's just my window is open and it's like this really soft breeze coming in. I am so in love with this photo shoot. I'm so happy with how the images turned out. Quick update. So there's one look that we didn't get to do that I was really hoping to do. And I had a whole like 2 other looks. So I think what's gonna happen is that when I get back from my travels, because I'm gonna be gone for about a week, coming up here shortly, I'm gonna probably book another shoot just because I would still like to have those branding images. Everything is coming together. I'm so excited. You guys are gonna just love what this is all for. So I'm totally rebranding my website, everything with my coaching, my confidence coaching, and I have a course that is launching really soon as well. So it's just so exciting, like it's all happening, and all of these pictures are for that. So it's just really nice. It's just exciting and it feels like really real boss woman shit. Also wanted to quickly tell you guys, like my lips were so swollen. I was like watching the footage back, I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe it. But we were squeezing things in for the deadlines for my stuff that I'm launching and the special project that you got to see behind the scenes of. So listen, it all worked out. The pictures look amazing. I might look a little crazy in the vlog, but it's okay. I'm really transparent and open with you guys about the process of things that I get done. There is a lip filler vlog coming, but you're gonna have to wait because I have to sync it around the premiere of the project. So let me know in the comments if you guys have any guesses as to what the project actually is. I'm really excited about it. Honestly, it's like pretty much the biggest thing in my career so far that I've ever done. So it's kind of a big deal. It's really exciting. And yeah, it's just, I can't believe it's all happening. So hope you guys enjoyed. There will definitely be another photo shoot vlog coming soon. I will have the information for the studio that I use, Q11, down below if you're interested in them, if you're in the area. They're really nice, really professional, wonderful setup, all of that. As you guys see, it's honestly like it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work when you're the creative director. I came up with all the outfits I was gonna wear. So I'm the stylist, creative director, I'm the makeup artist, I'm the hairstylist, I am the CEO, I do account, like I do it all, and I'm vlogging it too, right? So it's like I'm my own videographer, like it's a whole thing, guys. But it's all totally worth it. And I just am so excited to see how it came together. I did get back a few retouches, so I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek here in a second. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. Let me know if you guys love the vlog style type videos. I'm gonna get back into my swing of things, guys, with YouTube videos. I know I have my podcast that goes up once a week, but I just have been missing like talking to the camera, hanging out with you guys, vlogging, all of that fun stuff. And there's a lot of really exciting things happening in my life that I just can't wait to share with you. So thanks so much for like sticking around and bearing with me through these times where I've kind of been figuring out my creative direction and where things are going. Now this has turned into like a heart-to-heart between us, but it is what it is. I really do appreciate your guys' love and support, and it means so much to me. And just now, like, some really, really big and exciting things are coming and happening. So let me know what you guys think of the pics. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite look out of all the looks. I can't wait for you guys to see how it all comes together with my website, with my coaching business, with my course coming up. And it's gonna be fucking amazing. So thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys in my next video.